Hello everyone. Tshireletso Ndou, the instructing attorney for convicted rapist and prison escapee Thabo Bester, is reportedly facing serious criminal charges himself. The NPA spokesperson Paladi Shuping confirmed the news to IOL that there is a case of attempted rape and assault against Ndou, and it was postponed to 21 June 2023. News from Africa reported on Wednesday that the 27-year-old lawyer was out on 1,000 rand bail. Taking it to Twitter, the news channel posted a partial image of the charge sheet of a case opened at Bainsflay police station in Bloemfontein. It further reported that Ndou would be represented by Bester's advocate, Jeremiah Pela, who has reportedly also been criminally charged. Pela is due to go on trial for alleged corruption involving security tender bribery at the Motheo TVET College in Bloemfontein. In this highly published case, the legal duo are representing convicted rapist and murderer Bester, who escaped from the Mangaung prison before fleeing the country with his partner and alleged accomplice, celebrity doctor Nandipha Makutumana. Details of his elaborate escape plan, lavish lifestyle in Johannesburg for a year after he escaped, and deeply rooted corrupt connections have been spilling out in court as police investigators dig deeper and make more arrests. A 31-year-old Zimbabwean national, Zanda Moyo, was the latest to be arrested for allegedly aiding Bester in his dramatic prison escape. He faced charge of assisting an inmate to escape from the lawful custody and was likely to face more charges. Moyo's case was postponed to 20 June and he will join 8 other accused in court. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.